Hello guys, welcome sa MRG. Dito, meron kaming Kevlar helmet. Level 3 and level 3A. Merong a little cheaper, merong Wendy's. The helmet cover available sa MRG. With pocket, we have for the counterweight. Meron din para sa infra, magic tape, string, meron din magic tape sa side for your flag or blood type. Full cover, wala siyang net. When I say full cover, puro ano siya, pixelize. Mabigat siya. Pre-order sa MRG. And of course, we have the chest rig with plate carrier. Chest rig with plate carrier. Yung mga zipper niya is made of YKK. Where's the zipper? Oh, sorry. Yung zipper niya is made of YKK. Meron siyang chest pocket. Lagayan dito ng mga patch or identity mo if you want. This patch is not included, it belongs to me. Meron siyang 4 slots for sidearm pistol magazine. Meron din siyang lagayan na magazine for 5.56 optional. You can put anything. Ihiwalay mo lang yung ayan, yung magazine pouch. And of course, natatanggal din siya, kaya siya merong clip dito. Meron din siyang lower pouch with 2 zippers. First, second, magic tape. At the back, meron tayong malaking bag dito. You can put anything like your meal or your water gallon. With magic tape, may lagayan din siya ng mga molye. Kung makikita nyo, may lagayan siya ng molye sa side, diba? For now, eto, tingnan nyo. So meron din siyang quick release both sides, sa shoulder tsaka dito sa side, no? So when we say this quick release, merong arrow dyan kung paano mo ipupull. See? Same goes on the other side and on the top, on the shoulder. Okay? Same goes on the other side. Here's what inside. And of course the plate. Plate not included. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay, here's our plate. Not included. And here's what inside. Okay, for orders, PM nyo lang ako. For now, on hand siya. Pag wala, you can reorder it. Here's inside the backpack. So yung zipper, yung slider is YKK. Quick release tayo dito sa shoulder. And ito, natatanggal to as I said. Okay. So chest rig with plate carrier. Available din sa MRG. For orders, PM lang. Comment lang sa video na to. Thank you.